If you are running a manufacturing facility today, you don't care if a robot can do a backflip. You care about two things: how much weight can it carry and how fast can it learn your factory floor. Today we are breaking down the exact payload capacities of the top humanoid robots on the market and exploring the massive hidden advantage Tesla's Optimus holds over the entire industry. Let's get into the data. When we look at the spec sheets for commercial humanoids, almost all of them target a very specific carrying capacity, roughly 33 to 44 pounds or 15 to 20 kilograms. In the automation industry, we call this the OSHA sweet spot. By matching the ergonomic lifting limits of a human worker, these robots can be dropped into an existing assembly line. Let's look at the numbers. The Figure 02 robot, which is currently deployed at BMW facilities, hits this sweet spot perfectly. It boasts a general payload capacity of 44 pounds, making it ideal for automotive body shop workflows and handling sheet metal. On the lighter side, we have China's Unitree G1. With a payload of around 11 pounds, it is designed for light-duty logistics and part sorting. But what if your operations require heavy lifting? Enter the new, all-electric Boston Dynamics Atlas. Hyundai is currently deploying this robot into steel distribution and auto manufacturing because it is an absolute beast. It has a sustained carrying capacity of 66 pounds and an instant lifting capacity of 110 pounds. Atlas can lift dense metal components that humans shouldn't be lifting anyway, completely eliminating a major source of factory floor injuries. Then there is the Tesla Optimus. The Gen 3 Optimus is projected to carry 44 pounds, but has the structural integrity to deadlift 150 pounds. However, Optimus's real power isn't in its mechanical muscles, it is in its brain. Tesla has an artificial intelligence advantage that no other robotics company on Earth can match, and it all comes from their cars. Most AI robots operate on a slow loop. They take a picture of their environment, send it to a vision model, decide on an action, and execute it. Tesla is completely bypassing this. Because of their full self-driving architecture, Optimus uses continuous video processing. It processes reality frame by frame in real time. It processes reality exactly like a human does, adapting to changes in its surroundings instantly. Tesla has spent a decade training its neural networks on billions of miles of real-world driving data. The exact same spatial mapping that stops a Tesla from hitting a pedestrian is what allows Optimus to instantly adapt to a messy, unpredictable factory floor. Backed by their new Cortex 2.0 supercomputer in Texas, Tesla isn't just building a robot, they are building a universal AI brain that understands physics. While companies like Boston Dynamics win on pure physical strength, Tesla's real-world AI head start makes Optimus the ultimate wild card. Which approach do you think will dominate the next 5 years of manufacturing? Let me know in the comments below, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of industrial AI. I'll see you in the next one.